So for the Gauss-Seidel, okay, this is already diagonally dominant, so no need to swap anything. So now I'm going to write down the iterative formula, okay, to solve u11, u12, u21, u22. Okay, so my u11, you want to write down iterative formula. This is, let's say, u11 at step k plus 1. Okay, from equation 1, so this is u11. Okay, second column is u12. This is u21. This is u22. So you bring u, okay, mean this one you read negative 4 u11 plus 1 time u12 plus 1 time u21 equal to negative 200. Okay, mean negative 4 u11. So to eliminate negative 4, you bring the, okay, u11 to the other side. So mean you will have, okay, or easy. This one I just use ABC. Change the question, got too long. I change all this value to A, B, C, D. Easy. This is A, B, C, D. Don't want too complicated variable, because the variable is actually in the last chapter. This case system come from the last chapter. So mean you have is actually negative 4A plus B plus C equal to negative 200. Solving for your A, you will have actually 200 plus B plus C divide 4. Negative 4, the others, okay, bring to the other side. Negative 200 collect to B and C. And then later on, you put this one. Okay, put this one as a K plus 1. K plus 1. So B is step K, C is step K. Okay. Similarly, from second equation, solving for B at K plus 1 will be 350 plus A plus D divide 4. Okay. And then the third equation, you have, so A, you have obtained the later, so A is K plus 1. Okay, D is still the O, still K. Then from the third equation, solving for C, so it's C K plus 1. Okay, so similar reason. So you bring the negative 550 collect with A and D. So you have 550 plus A plus D. D still step K, A is already K plus 1. So divide 4. Okay. Okay, lastly, okay, solve for the last equation. Solve for D. So you have, okay, 700 plus C plus B plus C. And D at the step K plus 1 will be 700 plus B plus C. Okay, B, you have the latest one, so it's step K plus 1. C also the latest one, because here B K plus 1, C K plus 1 obtained already. So divide by 4. Then you can key in, okay, put up this formula easily in Excel. Okay, so in Excel, I copied this one. Okay, I put the ABC here. This value negative 4. This is 1. This is 1, 0. This is negative 200. This is 1. This is negative 4, 0, 1. Negative 350. Then 1, 0. Negative 4, 1, negative 550. This is 0, this is 1, this is 1, this is negative 4, okay, negative 700, okay, then put out, okay, this is K, this is a, let's say this is A, B, C, D. K0, okay, initial value all take 0. Okay, to make it template, I'm going to make it general. Solving for A here is actually you take this right hand side, okay, right hand side minus, okay, this cell time, mean this is a constant time, where is it, 1 time minus, because this one bring to the other minus, okay, B minus this one time, this is C, so minus, okay, this cell multiply D, okay, so that it will be general template. Divide coefficient here, okay, because I'm not going to copy the formula, so I don't put any dollar, doesn't matter. Okay, and then key in the second formula. Numerator make sure bracket is your B2 minus, okay, coefficient of A1 x A multiply the new A, so minus, okay, you're solving for B, so and then coefficient for C times C still O value, so minus coefficient for D in second row time D still O value, so divide coefficient for B in second row. Oh, I have to constant it because later on we are going to copy it down. Okay, the coefficients, okay, for first row, second row, you have to constant it. Because this is constant value. Because if you not copy, it's okay. But when you want to copy it down, you have to make it constant. Okay, mean the value for B, C, D, okay, is variable. Okay, those variable you no need to constant. It's only constant value. You need to dollar there. Mean to put general formula means x1 is actually you just need to key in the general formula. So this will become template. Mean the, okay, let's say the A at step K plus 1. General formula will be your B1. Mean this vector B. So 1, 2, 3, 4. B1 minus coefficient for A should be B. This is metric A. So coefficient for A first row, second row time time the B at step K minus A13. This is C at step K. So minus A14 D at step K. So divide by, okay, here coefficient for A11. This one. This is what I key in. So all B1, A12, A13, A14, A11 is a constant value. So in Excel, you have to key, okay, have to make it dollar. So I click here. This is B1 minus, okay, A12 here, B7 time the B at step K. So minus C, okay, C7 time C at step K. So minus, okay, B, C, D, D7, which is A14, okay, multiply D at step K, divide, so divide B, A11 is constant. Okay, constant have a dollar. Okay, so similarly, okay, for this one, B at step K plus 1, the formula you have a B2 minus A1, A21. Second row, first column, A at step K plus 1 minus A23. Second row, third column, C still O value. Then A24. Okay, D still O value. Okay, divide by A22. Okay, so all the coefficient in the matrix A and B must make it constant, because we are going to copy it down to the next row. If we not make it constant, then the value of all the coefficient for A and B will be moved down. So then will be wrong. Okay. So later on, okay, for C at step K plus 1 will be equal to B3 minus A31, A at step K plus 1 minus A32, 32, and then this is B at step K plus 1 minus A2, A34. Third row, fourth column, KD at step K divided A33. So this is a third formula that you need to key in. Will be equal, okay, the numerator 3, okay, 4 term, that's why you need the bracket. So this is a B3. So constant it by put dollar front and backs, and then minus, okay, coefficient for this A1, A31, A31 time the new A, which is here. Okay, minus A32, okay, make it constant. Okay, multiply, where's my shift? Multiply B at the new B. So click the new, okay, new B, and then minus, you're solving for, okay, C. So minus A34. A34, A34, make it constant, and then multiply, where's my multiply? D still O value here. So close bracket, divide by A33. Okay, this will be general formula, so that later on you change A and B, the answer is automatically out. Okay, say for some times. And then, okay, later on dk plus 1. Okay, go to the last row, the last equation. So it's B4 minus A41. You have A, the later, so K plus 1. Okay, B, you have the later, so A42 time B K plus 1 minus A43 C K plus 1. So because C you obtained already, then divide by A 4. Okay, so this one, so is this one B4, make it constant, and then minus A41, A41 make it constant. Okay, A41 time the new A minus A42 time the new B minus A43 time new C. So divided by, okay, A44 constant. Yeah. Make sure I check all E, A, B, C. So B, C, D. Okay, correct. This one, constant, A, B, D. Okay, fully correct. Then I can copy it down. Okay, you drag down. Normally, okay, the next row, okay, deduct the previous row. The result is almost the same, only differ by the last digit. Okay, yeah, cause here, if I put up here, the formula, let's see, 497. Okay, 9 still cannot stop because 488497 still greater epsilon. Okay, step 10. Okay, you see, okay, you compare, okay, the result in row 9 and 10. See, 162.499497. The last digit differ by 2. So mean it's less than epsilon. Okay, this value also differ by 2 at the last, okay, decimal place. This one also. Okay, this one also. So means, okay, you can stop at 10 and the result is, okay, row number 10. Sin mean the, okay, this is what? Let's say x number 10 minus x number 9. Okay, those who have class, you may leave first. I will, okay, later on you can watch back the recorded video. So this one is actually the maximum of each one. You take row 10 minus row 9, you have 4 value. The maximum value is 0.00. I think I see 3 decimal place. So it, wow. Ah. Unless, okay, if, okay, because here I didn't round, okay, I round it easy. So if you got class, okay, you may leave first. Because the Excel actually, if you don't round, is actually better. But to compare with the manual solution, okay, we round it. And then the question, okay, the interpolation later, I will okay, explain, and you may watch it here from the recorded video in the next section. Round, round, round. Okay, so this one round to 4 decimal place. So 49934970, still bigger. Okay, suppose, okay, here you can calculate mean the error, so that easy to see where you should stop. But this one, because you hide. Okay, unless, okay, I delete, okay, all the formula here. I delete. Okay. Okay, you can, okay, calculate the error. Got 4 error there. Calculate. We take the bottom row, deduct the top row, and then absolute value, so that we want to obtain the maximum value, okay, which is less than epsilon. See big, see greater epsilon. Okay, then, okay, this value still greater epsilon. Then you proceed. Okay, so step 12. Step 12, you see the error. Okay, the maximum is 0.001. Hence, you can stop and the solution is at step 12. So mean this one, okay, since the maximum value, if you perform using Excel, you can write, okay, at the bottom, so no need, okay, the word, just Excel. So since the maximum of x, vector x12 minus x11, okay, the maximum value is 0.0001 less than epsilon equal to 0.0005. Okay, hence your solution of the x is actually equal to x, okay, 12. Okay, where the solution is actually vector. Okay, you want to put in the vector form. So mean it's 162.5, 200, 250, 287.5. Okay, and you can always, okay, check it using the scientific calculator. Yeah. Okay. Okay, key in. Okay, you can always check using the scientific calculator. So you key in, you have -4, then 1, 1, 0, -200. So this is 1, -4, 0, 1. So -350, 1, 0, -4, 1. So -550. Then you have 0, 1, 1, -4, -700. Okay, check, is it same? If I key in correctly, 162.5, 200, 250, 287.5. Okay, later on, I'm going to touch up the template. So this is already, okay, the template. So you can actually just change for system 4x4. You just change here, change the A and the B, and the answer will be automatically displayed because all here are contain the formula already. You just need to control stop at which one, write down conclusion.